The RSVP page is incredible. It allows the student to view a ton of information on the event, make changes themselves to the event if they'd like to, including cancelling attendance, booking new sessions, adding to their calendar, changing their guest count, and it allows you to have access to things like the student's QR code, or for virtual events, being able to allow the student to join then and there for sessions that are live. So it's very easy to set up, it's very easily personalized and tailored to the student, and we're going to have a look at it in a bit more detail in this video. Now, this is an example of an in-person or venue-based event. For any RSVP page for virtual events, we of course hide the QR code ticket because you're not going to be scanning somebody in digitally. That would look a bit strange. Here we're pulling in the branding for the account, in this case Gecko, but this would pull in your institutional logo, and we're seeing the status of the student, any guests that they're bringing, if guests are enabled for events, and the student's able to see the name of the event they're attending, when it's taking place, and where that's taking place. And this is a clickable link which will take them directly to Google Maps. Excitingly, we get to learn more about the event. If there are hosts set up, you'll see that information here, and you can see the student has the ability to do a range of things, including cancelling their attendance completely in the event. Excitingly, they can click to learn more about sessions, and these can be branded appropriately. And if the student decides, you know what, this actually isn't for me, they can cancel that booking, and from the same place, they're able to go in and choose a different session as well. As touched on earlier, the student has the ability to navigate seamlessly between other Gecko events that you're running. The student can click My Events and be taken to a list of any open events or previous events, I'll move my face, that they happen to have attended. In this case, if it's a virtual event that they're attending, we can see here they have the option to join sessions, which will either redirect them to the stream or redirect them to the call, depending on the type of virtual session you have set up. So all told, they're a fantastic tool for students to be using. But how do you go about using them? How do you start sending these out? The answer is it's incredibly simple, as you'd expect. There are a couple of ways, namely sending emails or text messages, and in your messages using the event.rsvp_link tag. Just include these in any of your emails or texts, and you can anchor these in buttons or words, or you can actually have the link display in the body of the email itself. Just make sure your email or SMS template is being sent from a workflow within the event itself in order to work. For you as an administrator, if you want to view any student's RSVP page and see what they're seeing, just head to the event, find the student, and on the Actions button, click View RSVP page. Helpfully as well, you can do this from within the student record. So in this case, we have a different student. If we go to Events, we can find the event that we're interested in, and we can manually choose to view any RSVP page then and there.